What's the deal, everybody? It's JT back with a new video. Today's video, I want to show you how you can make your first $100 with Bing ads and ClickBank. Now, this is probably the easiest way I've made money online. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is like the easiest stuff ever. All I do is set up direct link campaigns over on Bing, and profit comes shortly after. So today I made $133.50. Today is the 21st, and I spent on this campaign winning combos. I spent $31. And spend 31 and make 130. I mean, I guess that's a pretty good day if you ask me. Setting up very simple campaigns. All I do is find products on ClickBank. So for example, this numerologist offer, which is very popular, got a gravity of 217. You can go set up a campaign over on Bing similar to this. So when people search things like numerology or numerologist, you set up your own ad similar to this. Numerologist official, get a free reading. See why the shocking truth in your numerology chart cannot tell a lie, no matter what you're told by others, blah, blah, blah. And once you click on this in the new tab, it brings you straight to the numerology offer. And on the front end, you get paid $11.97, and they got a rebill of almost $50. So you can make some pretty good money with this offer, and this offer been around for quite some time, man. So all you got to do is basically come up with some ad copy. So you can basically just take what's already working. That's what I like to do. So if I wanted to run this ad, numerologist, get a free reading, I copy the text as well and set up a direct link campaign. Very easily to do. And some affiliate offers comes with PPC ads ready made, where all you got to do is just copy and paste. So I can see if they got it just by going to a resource page. I haven't even checked myself. Oh, for this offer you got to be an established affiliate, but this will work for any offer. Any other offer, you don't really have to go through like an approval process. So let's say, for instance, this product right here, easy battery reconditioning. You can go to the affiliate page. Let me type in an email address. Boom, right here. They got a bunch of different resources to your use. They got what email swipes, banners, landing pages, Facebook ad kits, lead magnet, demographics, miscellaneous tools. So like I was saying before, once you got your ad copy, all you need from there is just keywords and, just setting up the ad from there and you good. So if you want to promote this offer, they already come with keywords that you could target. So you don't even have to brainstorm or do no extra research for it. All you got to do is just come up with the ad copy. Very simple stuff. And, for those of you that's interested in my elite course but don't have, the $73 to buy into it right away, I end up making a mini course basically showing you how to set up your first direct link campaign and get your first $100, your first sale. Hell, if you do good enough, you make your first $1,000 with this little mini course. I'm only charging $7 for it. Very simple. I just came up with this course today or yesterday, whatever it was, and it's a step-by-step training series. It's about 7 videos showing you how to set up direct link campaigns at a profit and exactly how I do it, and basically how I got these. Well, I get these little results every few days. I get a sale on the campaign. Now, the best part about this little mini course is that, when you go to checkout, you can, it's an option where you can go and add my 3 done for you campaigns. On top of that, for an extra $27, one of the campaigns is going to be this campaign that I'm running right here. Can't tell you which one, it's a surprise, I guess. But it's 3 done for you campaigns that you get for the price of 1. So you're spending $27 to get 3 different campaigns that I ran personally myself. And you get also access to the mini course for only $7. Well, it's up to you if you want to get the upsell or not. I'm just telling you ahead of time. So you got the mini course at $7, or you can add on the 3 done for you campaigns for extra $27 and be right on your way. Because some people, they just don't like finding offers, setting up this, setting up that, coming up with ad copy, keywords, and all that stuff. So I decided to add in 3 done for you campaigns if you like. But that's all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post everything ClickBank, affiliate marketing related, CPA marketing, make money online. A bunch of different tutorials in that area. But I will leave a link down below to the mini course if you're interested in that. And I will see y'all in the next video.